Hi everyone, this is Tammy, and I'm going to be demonstrating a new required field that you might have seen if you have created expense reports with employee travel. This new field is called the travel category field, and I will show you where the field is located, why it's important, and what happens if it is not chosen correctly. Again, this is a required field when creating expense reports with employee travel expenses, either out-of-pocket reimbursement or if you are reconciling travel-related T-card charges. Therefore, you will find this field when you have chosen the purpose of arranged travel employee or the purpose of employee travel, meal reimbursements, and T-card charges. Here's an expense report that I have started using the purpose of employee travel, meal reimbursement, and T-card charges. From the drop-down, I have already chosen an out-of-pocket expense type for car rental. But again, this field is required for any of the employee travel expense types. On the standard information page, you can see the travel category. And you can also see that it's a required field as indicated by the red asterisk. From the drop-down, there are 6 choices: employee foreign travel, employee in-state travel, employee out-of-state travel, T-card purchase foreign travel, T-card purchase in-state travel, and T-card purchase out-of-state travel. For our example, we have chosen an out-of-pocket expense type, and the traveler went to Jacksonville, Florida, so we would choose employee out-of-state travel. But the document owner should choose the category that describes their expense. We have added this field because we are required by the state of Illinois to report what portion of employee travel was paid and then reimbursed to the employee as an out-of-pocket expense, and what portion of the travel was purchased on a T-card. In order to satisfy this requirement, we have added this field so that the data can be easily collected and reported. With that being said, it is very important that this field is populated correctly. Payables processors will be reviewing this carefully, and if it is determined that the wrong travel category was chosen in error, the expense report will be rejected to the document owner for correction.